Although, in April 2022, a group of influential U.S. lawmakers have introduced a bill in Congress to recapture nearly 380,000 unused family and employment-based visas, seeking to reduce a massive green card backlog. But there has not been much progress after that. Now, the Office of the Citizenship and Immigration Services Ombudsman, CIS Ombudsman, an independent body that investigates complaints against U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS, recently provided a helpful tip to avoid processing delays and extra costs when applying for a family-based green card.
Visit our Swat&Vee channel with your questions to see how best we can help you out your process. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel.
Now, let's get into the video. If you're sponsoring a spouse or family member for a green card, you'll need to file Form I-130, Petition for Alien Relative, to prove that a valid family relationship exists. Form I-130 asks whether the person seeking the green card is applying from within the United States, via the adjustment status process, or from outside the U.S., using consular processing. But there's a catch: the form allows you to choose both options, but you should only choose one option. The reason is that your answer determines where USCIS will send your approved application. If you selected adjustment of status, then USCIS typically sends your Form I-130 to the National Record Center, NRC, to wait while you file Form I-485, the adjustment of status form. If you chose consular processing, USCIS will send your form Department of State's National Visa Center, NVC. Choosing only one option will help save you having to pay more and avoid processing delays. The CIS Ombudsman says it has received numerous complaints from applicants who chose both options on Form I-130 and USCIS sent their approved applications to the NRC. If the person seeking a green card is based outside the United States and they selected both options, USCIS requires they file Form I-824, Application for Action on an Approved Application or Petition, to reroute the application to the NVC for consular processing. The filing fee for Form I-825 is $465 and average processing times are 3.5 to 22.5 months. It's therefore very important that you select only one option on Form I-130 to save time and money. If you selected both options and USCIS hasn't yet approved your form, you can contact the USCIS Contact Center to change your selection. If you are wondering about the April 2022 bill, here are the few details about that. The Jumpstart Our Legal Immigration System Act, introduced by House Immigration and Citizenship Subcommittee Chair Zoe Lofgren, proposes to recapture about 222,000 unused family-sponsored visas and about 157,000 employment-based visas. Among other things, it would allow immigrant U.S. residents eligible for adjustment to legal permanent residence, LPR status to apply for adjustment after paying a fee but are not able to do so presently due to the lack of an available visa number. This will allow individuals to receive work authorization while they wait for a visa number to become available and will prevent dependent children from aging out of eligibility for the LPR status. The legislation also seeks to allow immigrants who are in the U.S. to receive an exemption from the immigrant visa numerical limits and adjust their status to a green card if their immigrant visa petition has been approved for 2 years and they pay a supplemental fee. Its co-sponsors are House Judiciary Committee Chair Gerald Nadler and Congresswoman Judy Chu and Congressman Richie Torres. We all know that our immigration system is dysfunctional and it has been in dire need of reform for decades, said Zoe Lofgren. The basic framework for allocating immigrant visas dates back to the middle of the 20th century and was updated last seriously in 1990 when Congress established the worldwide numerical limits on visas and the 7% per country cap that still exists today. Over time, these limitations have led to backlogs that were unimaginable in 1990, she said. The Jumpstart Our Legal Immigration System Act will help reduce the backlogs, thereby enabling immigrants to fully contribute to their communities and our national economy, while also allowing the U.S. companies to attract and retain high-skilled workers. That will enhance our country's competitive advantage and our position as a global leader in innovation, she said. By restoring the availability of immigrant visas lost due to COVID-19 or bureaucratic delay and enhancing green card processing, we are investing in our families and the U.S. businesses, said Mr. Nadler. Our immigration system is in desperate need of reform and this legislation is a vital step in the right direction. That is why I am proud to join Subcommittee Chair Lofgren in introducing the Jumpstart Our Legal Immigration System Act, which will recapture some 400,000 family and employment-based visas, create an accelerated path to adjustment of status for those already here, and give much needed funds to U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services to improve visa processing, he said. There are over 4 million people in the family immigration backlogs waiting to be reunited with their loved ones. Recapturing unused visas that were lost to delays and bureaucracy would help ease the already burdensome backlogs for immigrant families and workers, said Congresswoman Chu. Congressman Torres said the legislation will begin to address the visa backlog that has prevented hundreds of thousands of family and employment-based visas to enter the U.S., while also providing relief for diversity visa winners impacted by the Trump Muslim ban.
I hope you guys found this video extremely helpful. If you know anybody that could benefit from this information, definitely make sure to share this video with them. We are all about empowering you with knowledge. So the more people that can benefit from this video, the more people we want watching this video. If you like this video, please make sure to hit that thumbs icon. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit on the notification bell for more immigration updates. Bye!